Hi, today I'm back to do my May Social Security budget. And if you're new here, I live alone and my primary income is from Social Security because I got hit by a car when I was by a drunk driver when I was a child, and I've been on disability ever since. I just reopened my Etsy shop, and I do that, and then I have a Ko-fi membership, and but my Social Security is the one I pay my bills with. So I get, for this year, every month I get $960, and this is a single income. I live alone. Right now I don't have any pets. I'm thinking about getting another one because, as most of you that watch my videos know, Nikita passed away last November. But so let's get started. I get $960, and I get SNAP benefits because I'm disabled on a low income, and I get $199. They just recertified me in April, so I'm going to be getting that for, I believe, for the next year. And then utilities, let's see, electric was $130 because I was behind a little bit, and then my gas was $80. So total, that's $210. And I already paid all this because, well, I got paid on the 2nd. So when I got back from Colorado, I paid everything. I rent from a private landlord, and that was $360. And then transportation I don't pay for because I don't have a car, and either my landlord takes me and she don't charge me, or I take it's a blue bus out here. It's free for the county I live in, so I don't pay anything for that. So that's 3, 4, 5, 70. And then internet, I paid $55. And then I'm gonna put it here because my landlord's birthday was on the 3rd, which on the 2nd, because she took me to town. Well, that's not why, but on the 2nd, I treated her to a meal at Denny's, and I gave her a birthday card with $20 in it. So that was like $50. So, oh no, that was $60 actually. $60. And I think that was 135. My math is bad. Oh, 115. Oh wait, actually, and Hulu, I'm messing up today. Hulu is about $13. So 55, 60, and 13 is 128. And then personal money, which I just, for this, I just saved 62. That's in the bank. And then I have $200 for my savings challenges out of this money. Yeah, savings is 200. So 262. So let's see, 570 plus 128 plus 262 is 960. So this is correct. And I'm not gonna. I'll do this book off camera. Let me know if you guys want me to do it next month. But that's my income for the Social Security. But if you watched my last video, my dear friend Judy, which I tried giving it back, but she wouldn't take it. She gave me a large sum of money as a gift. And I never have $100 bills on my channel, but I have this, and she's wanted me to have it. I tried giving it back, which this is only part of it. The other part's in the bank. But that's going for savings challenges and if I need anything or have an emergency. And I tried giving it back, but she won't take it back. And she said that she wanted me to have a good summer because, well, my birthday's in July. So I did order some stuff on Amazon, but that's not out of the Social Security money. That was out of the money she gave me. But I bought myself a Instapot, an air fryer, which I've never used one. I never had one. So that came today. But this is all for Social Security income. And I'll see you in the next video. In my next video, I'm going to try to do I need to find my 12-side die. But I'm going to do my, I put money in here to save too. And I added some new ones for spring. And then I kept some of the old ones. Like that one. That one's from winter, but I still want to complete it. And then I added some other new ones. And I'll record that video next. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys are having a great week. Bye.